Milford Sound. Welcome. First off, I would like to say I don't think I've ever been to a location where the weather, landscape, and vegetation has so much variation. A place where both tropical rainforests and snow-capped mountains coexist. You can get anything from rain, sunshine, snow, or sleet in the same day. But that doesn't seem to bother these guys at all. Meet Kia, Toucan Sam's hillbilly cousin and the world's only alpine parrot. Yeah, he's cute and all, but these guys are intelligent and curious, which adds up to create a very mischievous bird. These guys will give you a bad hair day, pry all the rubber off your car or anything else that has rubber on it, or if you leave anything hanging around, they will steal it. So take all your stuff and your babies, because they will take your babies and your clothes. Yeah, look at him looking all innocent. Don't take him serious. Hide your stuff. Because I don't think anyone's precious is important enough to climb through this. Maybe we can send some eagles or something. Once you get to Milford Sound, you immediately understand why this is one of the world's greatest tourist attractions.